Good evening sa inyong lahat. I just want to share a very good incident na nangyari sa amin dalawa ni Edna while we were traveling back to Tuguegarao today. About 3 weeks ago kasi, nag-stop over kami sa isang complex somewhere between Bambang and Bayumbong. And as usual, we always have our flyers, our brochures with us. So nagfla-flyers kami sa labas kahit na mainit, no? Wala tayong pakialam kahit mainit. But napansin ko meron dalawang mag-asawa na may inaayos sa sasakyan. So feeling ko, I thought they were about to leave kasi para nagmamadali. Pero sabi ko kay Edna, bilisan mo, bigyan mo ng flyer yung mag-asawa. So nag-usap sila. I was watching from the car. And then lahat sila nagpunta sa loob ng restaurant. So ako naman, medyo I wanted to go to the washroom. Nag-CR ako. Pinakilala ko, nag-usap kami. And then I left. I went back to the car. So fast forward, nalaman pala namin that they were scheduled to go to Thailand para magkaroon ng stem cell therapy. So they got one box from us. They got one box from Edna. They got a brochure. So yun lang. Then they said goodbye. So after 2 to 3 weeks, no contact, no feedback whatsoever. So anyway, pagbalik namin kanina dito sa Tugue, we passed by Santiago, and I remember sabi nila taga Santiago sila. And I said, sweetie, bakit hindi mo tawagan si ganito and ask how they're doing? Nung tumawag si Edna, laking pasasalamat ng magkapatid kasi nawala nila yung brochure ni Edna, nawala nila yung contact number ni Edna, and they were so desperate to get another box kasi nga they tried the box, pinaghatian nila, nagpunta sila ng Thailand, tapos yung mga pain daw nila nawala. There is an ingredient, a particular ingredient that helps us with managing our pain. Yun yung ashwagandha kasi. Yun yung lagi ko sinasabi sa mga customers. Pagkadating sa pain management, ashwagandha is the leading antioxidant. So, to cut the story short, makikita sila bukas. They will be doing some discussions with us. Tapos, siyempre, bibili na naman yung mga yan. And this is again another proof that we're not pushing a product that is not accepted in the market. Alam nyo, it's just a matter of sharing the brochure. Wala kaming pakialam kung tinapon yung brochure or rineject yung flyers namin. All we need to focus on is build, share, build, share. So invest on your brochures. Okay? And laging merong positive ang mangyayari. Okay? So, again, take this from us. Actual experience po ito. So, another good thing, vlogger yung asawa. So, I remember, nangako siya that day, nung nagkita kami 3 weeks ago, na oras daw na maganda yung product, sasama niya sa kanyang vlog. Kasi medyo sikat na raw yung vlogger na to. But, let's wait for it to happen, and once it happens, we will share you the blog, and we're hoping it happens. Okay, so once it's done, we'll share everything to you. Marami pong salamat and have a pleasant weekend.